My approach to law is governed by the mission statement that I developed in 1996, and that is, obtaining justice for the honest person who is seriously injured is the law's highest calling. From that I derived 3 rules. I only represent honest people. I only take real cases. And if you have those 2, the 3rd rule is, I never quit. They have to peel the case out of my dead, cold, stiffening fingers, because I will fight as far and as long as it takes to obtain what is right, regardless of the consequences. I've done almost 200 civil jury trials in my career. I've been practicing now for 43 years. That's what I bring to the game. Experience that most other attorneys aren't even close to.
The one thing he did was he didn't make it a business transaction. He made it a personal transaction, a personal interaction. My suffering was his suffering. He put himself in your shoes. I couldn't give a higher recommendation to anyone, or have I in the past, than Mr. Young's law firm.
The reason why we work with Mr. Young is basically his reputation in the industry. He's one of the very few lawyers that we could depend on. They're really not out for what you have in your pockets. They're real, they're honest, they're straightforward, and that's not an easy thing to come from.
Working as an internal financial auditor in an international level for Warren Buffett, Steve is a very unique attorney. I have never seen any attorney who leads the way how Steve leads for his clients. And I'm not saying this because he's my husband. And this is something that does inspire me a lot, that he stands always for justice. And being able to resume justice in our environment, in our society, this is a privilege that I have in working with Steve.
I lead with my heart. If I'm going to take a case to trial for somebody, I have to be in a position where I feel true love for that client. If you're standing for right and doing what's right, there is no obstacle to justice. You can always overcome. And that's how I try cases.